everybody, this is 8 o'clock. I'm here in Rome and I'm cooking dinner for myself. Yes, that's right, I've got some chicken noodle soup right back there. It's going to be cooking good for me. It's going to be healthy and, dare I say, good for you. Anyway, that's it. This is Eric Clark's travel videos. I'll show you how to make chicken noodle soup on one burner stove. Thanks for coming along. I know it's kind of goofy, but it's part of travel. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye. And I'm softening my carrots, and I'm gonna make a soup because I only have one burner and a little sink. But so I'm softening my carrots, and oops, got that on 600. And then I've got my zucchinis cut, my bell peppers cut, my onions cut. I got to do my my garlic here in a second. I've got some chicken breasts to stick in there from last night's chicken. I've got some basil. I got some potatoes to stick in there as well. And then I've got a packet of soup. See all my collection here? I got my corn, and I guess I could throw some corn in there too, huh? It's just gonna be a junkyard soup. No peas and carrots. Here's my soup. This soup is a chicken minestrone pevera, blah, blah, blah. So that's gonna go in there. And so I'm gonna make a whoop-ass vegetable soup smorgasbord of love. That's it. And I got my beer. And you know, it's funny because I'm so tight on money that I drink, what's this beer? It's their generic beer here. So it's Carrefour, so it's their grocery store brand lager. And so it's really not bad, but it's only 74 cents or something, so I can deal with that. Okay, everybody. I'll take a picture when it's all done and in the pot and simmering away. And I'll let it probably cook for an hour or two, and then I'll let it cool, and then I'll let it heat up again, and we should have a good lunch. Thanks for coming, everybody. The vegetables are simmering and looking pretty good, and that's cooking. I've got my chicken all diced up, so I have quite a bit of chicken. And I bought that at the store, so if you go after 6 o'clock, it's 30% off your food. After 7 o'clock, it's 50% off. And so, you know, when you're on a budget, you got to do what you got to do. So I got my garlic, and I always put like half of the garlic probably in the pan to saute. So I'm going to add that right now. And then I put the other half in when it's cooking. And I bought one of these things. Yeah, the Claw of Life. So I'm going to use that. And so I'll get that going. And then the corn's already cooked, so it doesn't really have to cook. The potatoes are already cooked, so I don't have to worry about those. So I just got to get that simmered down. And when that's done, I'll add the corn, the chicken, and the potatoes, and then the soup seasoning, and then a little bit extra chicken bouillon, and I should be good to go. So it should be dinner soon. And a sip of beer. The vegetables are looking pretty good. The onions are pretty opaque, see them? And the zucchini's looking pretty good. I'm sure the carrots are done. The chicken and the potatoes are diced up, so it's time to add all the ingredients and then get some water and some soup mix in there. And we'll get her going. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Right, it looks like we're getting to boiling, which is looking good. How does that look? Carrots, corn, onions, zucchini, bell pepper, potatoes, chicken, parsley, garlic. Jeez, boy, what a deal. And there's one thing my mom always taught me. What that is? Clean as you go. I hate dishes. I hate messes. I hate crap. So, and when you have such a small spot, you have to clean as you go. So anyway, as always, Mom, thanks for the education. And it looks like my soup's getting to boil. I'll let it boil for probably 15-20 minutes. And then I will let it cool and then heat it up, and I'll have a dish. But that's it. So this is my, I guess, what is it? Chicken soup, chicken junkyard vegetable soup. But it certainly has everything under the sun in there. And so it's healthy. It's, dare I say, it's good for you. Holy crap. And then, do you know what we have on top of this? Dessert. Do you know what dessert is? Anybody that knows me knows what dessert already is. Gummy bears. That's it. Thanks everybody for coming along, and thanks for sharing cooking with Eric. Have a great day. Bye bye everybody.